it's Raquel Bowman here, and look what arrived on my doorstep this morning. These are the September Hip Kit Club kits, and I'm super excited to have a look at what's in here. I feel like I've hardly played with the August kits, so I want to have another week of creating with the August kits before I get stuck into these, but I did want to share these with you. So I have the embellishment kit, the Project Life kit, the main kit, as well as the pattern paper add-on, and I have the cardstock kit here as well. So I'm going to start with the Project Life kit and go through and share those bits and pieces with you. So we have, oh my goodness, so gorgeous, the colours in this collection. So a lot of this kit has the Indigo Hills 2 collection by Pink Fresh Studio. So these here are the enamel dots, and just the purples and teamed with that navy are just gorgeous. So there's those. Then we have these super cute little floral embellishments. They're just little butterflies. They're super tiny, 20 pieces in total. And they just, I'm guessing, have, yeah, they've got like a foam adhesive back on them. So there's those. Then we have the phrase stickers, and this was part of the reason why I had to purchase the Project Life kit, even though I don't do Project Life as such, because I love the embellishments that come with them. So these are just lots of different phrase stickers, and some circular shapes, some more rectangular pieces, some triangle ones, and then just like your word stickers that are really great for, I always find there's something that I can use that matches a layout that I'm doing. These are puffy stickers. The colours in this collection are just beautiful. I like that there's some sort of more feature words as well as some florals and things, and then like your phrase puffies as well. So there's those. And then this is some alphas, and they are teeny tiny. So they're the same size. When I saw them I thought they were actually bigger, but they're the same size as this packaging. And the actual alpha is like 1/2 inch. So these are great for like if you're wanting to have a larger title and then smaller, you know, words to make up your title, or smaller letters to make up your title. And they come in all the colours from the collection. So 432 pieces altogether and 4 colours. And it doesn't look like there aren't any numbers, but there are plenty of extra letters and things to make the words that you need. So that's those. Love these colours. Then we have our cards. So, oh, they're packaged very well. Oh goodness. I stabbed myself doing this, using these scissors sillily the other day. Okay. And one away. It's that packaging that like statics to you too. Sorry, I didn't do this before, but I wanted to unpack it with you and give you my reactions, I suppose, as well. So these are the 4x6 cards. They're single-sided, the cards with hip kits. September. I saw someone recently like fussy cutting out the letters and using that on a layout. That looked really cool. So on here, oh, that's beautiful. Nice stripe. This one is That Time Again. And my printer's making a noise. I apologise if you can hear that. And then this lavendery colour floral. So they're the 4x6. And then here are the 3x4s. New routine, floral, hello fall, fave summer activities. Oh, they're gorgeous. Back to school. Not back to school for us here in Oz. We've still got, we're nearly at holidays this Friday, and we get 2 weeks break, and then we have our final term of school. I think it might be it's a 10-week term again, maybe. And then we'll have Christmas and our summer holidays, and we start a new school year in the end of January, start of February. And that's those. So that is the Project Life kit, and I'm just going to pop them all back because I won't unpack anything into my IKEA holder until I've fully finished with the August kits. So this one here is the embellishment kit. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay. So in the embellishment kit we get these faux suede flowers. There's 6 of them. They have sort of a flat thin foam adhesive to stick. I'd probably still pop some glue on those just to make sure that they stick really well. So there's 6 of those. You get a selection of the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane washi tapes. So this is the selection that come in my kit. Really nice. I really like that gold one there. And that's a nice thick washi too. There's those. These are from My Mind's Eye, and they're an acrylic mirror sticker, and they are gold, obviously, and then just have some really cute little sayings. There are, how many? 12. So they're really cute. These are the Pink Paisley Auburn Lane rub-ons. There's 2 sheets in there. This is the ones that you get, the designs that you get. Cannot wait to play with this. Loving sort of real warm colours in this kit. These are 6x12 sticker sheet. They're chipboard stickers. So there's some gorgeous frames, some florals, some vines, little corners. That's those, and they're from the Pink Fresh Indigo Hills 2 collection. And then we have these chipboard cheerful alphas, and I'm guessing that these are Willow Lane, but I'm not positive whether they are. That's just a guess. Just because they've very much, here's from my August kit, they very much complement that colour palette. So I'm thinking that's what they are. How nice are they? So they are what makes up the embellishment kit. It's jam-packed, isn't it? Just never get bored. No possible way. And what I love too is there is, especially when you see the papers, you don't have to just go with one colour palette. There's so many different options for colour choice that you do. So here, just keep in mind that my pattern papers, I'll have 2 of each because I've got the pattern paper add-on. Okay, so this is the main kit. I adore these. Absolutely adore these. These are just little thread bows. They're from the Willow Lane Crepe Paper collection, and there is 8 in the pack. They're just really, really adorable. Cute are they? We have the Puffy Alpha stickers. These are Indigo Hills as well, and they are gold. They're more of a, I suppose, a yellow gold. Whoops. A yellow gold, really. They do have lots of different sort of punctuation pieces, definitely a lot of letters, but no numbers in this one. There's those. We have some stickers. These are, it actually says they're chipboard phrase stickers, but they're not chipboard, they're puffy, like epoxy puffy ones. And I'm guessing these are Amy Tan ones, but I'm not positive again on that one. Oh, that's nice, the adventure. How good is that? The simple things. I like these. One of a kind, smile big, collect moments, and then you've got your little accent pieces that you can use. There's those. Embellishment wise, there's these gold foiled wood stickers. These are again from Indigo Hills too. So you can sort of see if I put them to my lighting that they've got that gold foil through them. Really nice. We have some ephemera. Let's see, this is the Indigo Hills 2. Oh, it's so soft. So soft and pretty. So if I zoom you in, then I'll just start popping the bits and pieces out. And we can see what's in here. Look at that floral. This frame here. You could either leave that as it is and say back it onto a paper or something, or you could cut that little insert. That floral is beautiful. I like that sketchy sort of look to it. Love. Got some leaves which are really cool to be able to layer and add behind clusters. And add these little ones as well. They're nice. It's the words, hooray. Beautiful ordinary life. Moments are more important than things. Yes. Lead with your heart. Little labels, rainbows. Dream. Leave no lovely word unsaid. So important. Life's too short, hey? Collect adventures. Celebration. Oh, what's this say? Darling, just believe in yourself. Some more of these shapes. Vines. That one's actually got the bits that you can pop out of the centre. This is better than I thought. Another floral camera. A couple more words. Okay, so that's the ephemera pack. Heaps in there. There is 34 pieces in total. And let's go through the papers. So I'll zoom you back out so you can see them. This is called Mesa, not sure. Indigo Hills 2. It's got a grey on one side and then this beautiful watercolour look floral on the other. So I've got two of those, so I'll be able to sort of think of them like this as I'm creating. This one, oh, this is stunning. This is called Glen, and it's just a real soft sketched floral. Oh no, that's better. Oh, look at that. Indigo Hills Pink Fresh are killing it, aren't they? Look at those. Just beautiful. So that's the second paper. Oh, I didn't know this was in here. This is a specialty paper. It's Maggie Holmes Vellum. It's calling to be fussy cut. Beautiful. This one here is called Eminence. And we have this beautiful gradient sort of purple and blue. And sorry, that was my son popping in. This is called Eminence, and there's this one on this side. And then we have Valley. So we've got this really nice deep navy floral, white with white floral, sketch look floral. and then this grid design with these painterly stripes. Then, oh, I've seen this one. I've seen this one being used a lot. So this is called Meadow, and it's this super sweet wreath design, that real watercolor look painted on there. And then this is just a sort of striped dark navy print. Next we have a paper from the Amy Tan Shine On collection. It's just a really fun border style stripe, and then this yellow, which I really love in this collection. And actually it is a different yellow to the embellishments from the August kit, but the bits and pieces that are obviously from Shine On, it complements really nicely. And last two we have, I think, is the Cherish paper by Willow Lane. It's navy with the florals, and then this cream base with black passion on it. And finally, oh, this is nice. So this is the sort of yellowy mustard that goes well with this Willow Lane. Let's just pop those back. I've got my August kits like within reach right in front of me. This is called Cottage, so super cute little house print, and then this text on the back. So that is the September hip kits. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to pop over to hipkitclub.net to purchase or to find out about subscribing. For Aussie subscribers, there was a question in my last reveal, my August share, about postage. Postage, I know that you used to be able to combine your months. So Kimberly and Robert were really great at, if you had the August and September kits, for example, that they would hold your August and post your September and August together in September. Does that make sense? They'd hold a kit and post them together. So it helped you to save those postage costs. I'm not entirely positive what the international shipping is. I'm sure that when I've actually purchased some extras. I purchased some watercolors so I could do and join in with Mixed Media Monday, and I'm sure the international postage was $20 US, which honestly, with the amount that you get, is amazing value, considering that we can pay 10 Aussie dollars for a small parcel. As long as it's thicker than a couple of centimeters, we're paying $8 anyway. So yeah, great value. Definitely recommend you checking them out. My puppy's about to go crazy, and that's my cue to leave. So I'll see you all soon with some more projects. I'm going to do another project with my August kit, then I'm going to get stuck into these kits. Bye everyone.